Oh, hi. I want to show you today, during this lesson, how to find the equation of a straight line. And this topic is useful for both higher and foundation. Yeah, it's good for higher and foundation levels. To find the equation of a straight line, like this one, you need to know that any straight line can be written in the form y equal mx plus c. mx plus c, where m is the gradient and to find it you have to do change in y divided by the change in x, or y2 take away y1 divided by x2 take away x1. So in this case y2 is 7, y1 is 1, so you have to do 7 minus 1 divided by x2 take away x1, which is 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1. So the answer is 6 divided by 3, or 2. So the gradient m is equal to 2. So hence you can now write your equation as y is equal to 2x plus c. But what is the c? C is the y-intercept. Is actually where the line is crossing the y-axis. But it's not given. We don't know it, so it's not given. So we have to find it by doing some substitution. So it's not a problem if it's not if you don't know the number where the line is crossing the y-axis. All you have to do, substitute one of the points that the line passed through into this equation. So the easy one to use, maybe the positive coordinates are 2 and 7, and substitute them into the equation means this is x goes here, and this is a y is go there. And then what do you have now? 7 equal 2 multiplied by x, which is a 2, plus a c. So 7 is equal to 4 plus c, which means 7 minus 4 equal to 3 equal to c. So the y-intercept is equal to 3. And then finally, your equation is, or the equation of this straight line, y equal 2x plus 3. So this is a 3 now. Oh, 1 second. Yeah, so this C is 3. But the most important is you already answered the question, y is 2x plus 3. Okay then, that's it. Thank you.